Good afternoon all. Mine is just a brief video. Let's call it an apology video to all the kisii men out there and even the other men, yeah, for the video that has been doing rounds on all social media platforms, the video that had the lady flexing, wanting to flex with the husband. We're deeply sorry about that, and that is not us, okay? I just want to apologize to our men first, ino abasacha aba mukungu oli talenge eteri byakorete lakini mwatoitire for the longest time. Mwatolitire chitege, mwatwakire chinkundi, mwatoseriri ntwanya gukora kende, ntwanya kumyoka online gukura, yani no entege tamwageti arutete mwaminyokire mpaka tuke tomanyete bobe boneire na kimono mutaite na kimutaite imutaite togende nderi swali ngo baboli na kimutaite chinkundi ninu mwatoro kikulinga ninde bono mwachakire gukura why tebango aseigo ende tigamba tebi bono nari twachakire murakura muraitu murai kanyago tigantike muraku. Okay, so guys, all I was just telling our kisii men is that we sorry, truly sorry, very sorry. That is not us. Those were just satanic forces, and we really promised to change and to even take prayers, allowed to do a lot of prayers, yes, and even counseling classes. That is not us, please. To the ones who yani wenye walikuwa bado wanatunoki, bado mnaweza endelea, na wenye walikuwa wanapanga kutoa, bado mnaweza endelea na mipango za harusi. Yes, sisi wabaya, si wanawake wazuri watulivu, yani submissive ni sisi. Love you all.